Hey guys, Kim Flores here, back again for another short video, just a real short video. Lots of exciting things happening now. Um, what I wanted to do in this little short video is I wanted to check in with you and share a few things to help you gain traction in your life. Hopefully, if you're trying to work a side gig or whatnot. Here actually I've done a little research. The things that are happening right now that maybe you can use to increase your income. I'm assuming you already have some online marketing exposure, and you just want to improve yourself, right? So as you know, as you probably heard, as I'm trying to refresh my own, video content marketing is pretty much number one right now. Whenever somebody needs something, where do they go? They want to find out something. They do like a Google search. Where does it go usually? To a YouTube video, correct? So if you happen to have that YouTube video content that they're looking for, there you are. And there are several courses that can help you with whatever topics that you need to cover, whatnot. But videos are used to creating engaging content for you would be surprised some of the people that actually see yours. It's not necessarily the ones you were even looking for, looking to reach, But anyway, I'm trying to keep this video really short for you. You can also do remote work. That's like, there's a few courses that you can get that'll actually help you get signed up for, remote working. Digitally doing, transcription services kind of thing, medical, whatever, it's stuff that you can do at home. Saying, for instance, you have a regular job, and something you can do in your off time, right? So they'll help you in your own home business, as far as you've got, the digital tools that are helping you, right? So bear with me here. I've got one more. Yeah, I've got one more. All right. Needless to say, social media, okay. Being on social media, pretty much, for me, it's Facebook. Some excel at Twitter, some excel at YouTube, right? Facebook tends to be my go-to, but it's not necessarily everybody's. You've got Instagram also, that is, it's like Facebook, only Facebook's little brother, sister, whatnot. Anyway, Twitter, of course, is it's just short and sweet and to the point, pretty much. You can all these social media platforms basically use an algorithm where they kind of scour. I wouldn't say scour, that's probably not the right word. They search out your content and pull out relevant keywords, if you will, and that's what ranks you higher in the feeds, which it helps the computer in the background figure out, all right, who to serve this particular piece of content to, basically. I mean, I'm pretty sure there's a science there. But anyway, by leveraging these particular channels, okay, home businesses, like I said, I'm assuming you have either a home business, an online business, or something you want to expand, or if you want to, this is something to put in your education bracket, and that's what this video is hoping to achieve. But anyway, with this stuff, you can connect with your customers, your subjects, your intended prospects, right, to increase your own exposure, you know, your own awareness, and build relationships with, you know, your potential customers, right? So anyway, I don't want to go too much longer. It's already at the 5-minute mark. So anyway, this is Kim Flores, and I will check with you guys later, probably another video. And thank you for watching, and like and subscribe. Share if you feel there's value there. All right, guys. So if there's no value for you, don't, just carry on. We'll talk to you. We'll talk with you later. Alrighty, guys. Bye bye.